Hello students, let us see two more methods of solving quadratic equation. We have seen one method by splitting the middle term. Let us see another method, that is solution of a quadratic equation by method of completing the square. I am not going to discuss right now here. We will see directly exercise and I will show you how to use this, what is this method and how to apply it, how to use this method. Okay. And one more method is quadratic formula. What is this quadratic formula? Okay, how this is derived, that I am not going to see here or teach here. Let us see directly. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now what is this under root? What is b? B is the coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x square and c is a constant term. So b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, so you can calculate the value of b square minus 4ac and you can decide whether the given quadratic equation the roots are possible or not. So here I have written the notes. The roots are possible if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, that is the meaning, b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. But if it is less than 0, roots are not possible. We will see both the methods in exercise 4.3. Let us see now exercise 4.3. Let us see exercise 4.3. First question. I have not changed, I have put it in some proper words. Okay, so find the roots of the quadratic equations by the method of completing the square. In textbook it is written if they exist. If they exist, this part is for quadratic formula, not for completing the square. Okay, so let us say first sum 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0 by completing the square method. Come on. What is the first step? Coefficient of x square should be 1. So here it is 2. So divide by 2. So 2x square by 2. So therefore you will get x square 7 by 2x and take constant on right hand side. So minus 3 by 2. You call this equation 1. Okay. Now half into coefficient of x and its square. Okay, so what is that? Okay, so that is half. What is coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is minus 7 by 2. So minus 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, so what we are getting? So we are getting minus 7 by 4 whole square. So that is 49 by 16. So adding 49 by 16 on both the sides of equation 1. Okay, so therefore what you are going to get? X square minus 7 by 2 into x plus 49 by 16 is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 49 by 16. Okay, so if you observe carefully, first term is a perfect square and the last term on the left hand side is also perfect square. Okay, 49 upon 16 is the square of 7 by 4. So how we will write? So first term is the square of x, last term is the square of 7 by 4. Middle term minus, so put it here minus, and its square is equal to. Now simplify this, 2 8 is 16, so we will make the denominator 16. So minus 3 into 8 upon 2 into 8 plus 49 by 16 Okay, so here what you are going to get? So therefore x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 24 plus 49 upon 16. Okay, so x minus 7 by 4 whole square. So minus 49 minus 24 plus 49, that is 9 minus 4 is 5. So 25 by 16. Now taking square roots on both the sides. Okay, now taking square roots on both the sides, we get x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 5 upon 4. Okay, now therefore x minus 7 upon 4 is equal to plus 5 by 4, or x minus 7 upon 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay, how to simplify this? Yes, so therefore x is equal to 5 upon 4, take minus 7 by 4 on the right hand side. Okay, so this is 12 upon 4 and this is 3. So one of the root is 3. Or you can take x minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay, so what you will take here? So therefore x is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, and that is 2 by 4, that is half. So x is half. So therefore, so the roots are 3 and half. Okay, hope you have understood this method. This method is called finding the roots by completing the square method. I will take one more example. There are 4 sub questions in main question 1. I have shown this one presentation. The same method, but we have to, meaning is same, but put it in a little bit different form. Presentation is little bit different from this. Whichever method you like, you can adopt. Okay, hope you have understood this sum. Let us see one more example. Only by completing the square method, only the presentation you may find it is different from the first example. Let us see. Okay, we don't want coefficient of x square 2, we want 1. So dividing by everything by 2. So what will happen? So we will get x square plus half into x minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0. So therefore x square plus half x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you want to make a square of, okay, how to see here. So therefore observe very carefully. Okay, let us see. This is x, so it is the square of x. Okay, here is a plus term, so I will put plus term. Okay, so half into, you have to take again coefficient of this x, so it is half. Okay, and its square, and its square. Okay, if you will expand this, then what you are going to get? You are going to get, expand करके देखो इसको आप देखो रफ वर्क, अगर आप इसको expand करोगे तो ये होगा x plus 1 by 4 and its square. So this will be x square, 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So this will be x square, 2 2s are, so half x plus 1 by 16. तो आपको 1 by 16 ऐड करना है. ओके, तो देखो, तो इस ये अभी स्क्वायर नहीं हुआ है. ओके, हाँ 1/16 ऐड ये आ गया है इसमें। अभी 1/16 आपने तो उसको मैनेज करना है, तो व्हाट यहाँ प्लस है तो दिस इज ऑल्सो 1/16 प्लस, वी विल सबट्रैक्ट, सो हाफ इंटू हाफ एंड स्क्वायर, ओके वो सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे उतना हिस्सा। यहाँ प्लस है इसलिए माइनस, यहाँ माइनस होगा तो यहाँ प्लस दिखेंगे, ओके -2 is equal to 0. Now see, so therefore this is what you can say, so this is nothing but x plus 1/4 the whole square minus 1/16 1/4 and its square, so minus 1/16 minus 2 is equal to 0. So what you will take, x plus 1/4 the whole square. Now take all that side, so 1/16 plus 2, okay, so therefore x plus 1/4 the whole square is equal to 116 to the 32, so we got here x plus 1/4 whole square is equal to 33/16. Now what to do? Taking square roots on both the sides. Okay, let us see. So now taking square roots on both the sides, we get what we get, x plus 1/4 is equal to plus or minus under root 33/16. So therefore x plus 1/4 is equal to, we don't know square, so keep as it is, and 16 4. So therefore x plus 1/4 is equal to plus 33/4 or x plus 1/4 is equal to minus root 33/4. So therefore x is equal to root 33/4 minus 1/4. So root 33 minus 1/4, this can be written as x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33/4. So this is one root. Let us see second root. Okay, so therefore x is equal to minus root 33/4 minus 1/4. Okay, so therefore x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33/4. Okay, this is the other root. Okay, so therefore roots are minus 1 plus root 33/4 or minus 1 minus root 33/4. Okay, hope you have understood this second presentation of completing the square method. I have solved two sums. Two are enough. Remaining you can practice. Hope you have understood this presentation. Let us see now second question, finding the roots. Second question, for second question we have to use examples from question number 1. It is given in the NCERT textbook. Find the roots of the quadratic equation if they exist by applying the quadratic formula. If they exist, okay, अगर roots होते हैं तो कहाँ से पता चलता है, b square minus 4ac. अगर b square minus 4ac greater than 0 है तो roots possible है. अगर b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 तो भी रूट्स पॉसिबल है, और अगर b square minus 4ac is less than 0 then roots does not exist. Okay, sorry, roots do not exist. तो वो हमको देखना है. तो सबसे पहले हम बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac विल कंपेयर दिस ओके विथ our standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let us see. On comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is 4, b is 4 root 3 coefficient of x 4 into root 3 and c is 3. Okay, now you calculate b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. So b is 4 root 3 whole square minus 4ac. So take in bracket 4 into a is again 4 and c is 3. Okay, so this is 16 and root 3 square is 3. 4 for the 16, 16 3s are 48. So 48 minus 48 is 0. So we got here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. अगर b square minus 4ac greater than 0 आता है या equal to 0 आता है तो हम आगे quadratic formula use करेंगे. नहीं तो वहाँ stop करके अगर less than 0 आया तो वहाँ लिख देंगे the root does not exist like that. Yeah, roots do not exist. Okay, let us see now. By using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so minus formula में minus b है, b की वैल्यू है 4 root 3. So b minus 4 root 3 plus or minus what is the value of b square minus 4ac? 0 upon 2 multiplied by a is 4. Okay, so this is minus 4 root 3 upon 2 multiplied by 4. So 4 cancels. So this is nothing but. So therefore x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now जब b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 और एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है, क्वाड्रेटिक मतलब हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इज 2, तो उसके दो रूट्स होते हैं, मैक्सिमम दो रूट्स. ओके, तो यहाँ दोनों रूट्स if b square minus 4ac is 0 then both the roots will be having the same value. इसलिए यहाँ x की वैल्यू minus root 3 by 2. So we will write therefore the roots are minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. x की वैल्यू रिपीट होती है जब b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Hope you have understood this quadratic formula method to find the roots of quadratic equation. So we have seen three methods: factorization, computing the square and quadratic formula. I will take one more example based on this. Let us see. Let us see fourth sub question of main question 1 by quadratic formula, whether we can find the roots. First of all, we want to find b square minus 4ac. The value of b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0 or equal to 0. Then only roots are possible, otherwise roots are not possible. Let us check for this. On comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you get a is 2, b is 1 and c is 4. Now b square minus 4ac. So 1 square minus 4. A is 2 and c is 4. So 1 30. So 1 minus 32 is minus 31. So therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 31. What is it? That is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It is minus 31. So therefore the roots do not exist. No need of going for formula. Okay, roots, you can write the comment, the roots do not exist. Hope you have understood this method. Let us see question number 3 of exercise 4.3. There are two sub questions. Find the roots of the following equations. They have not used the word quadratic equation. So on simplifying, it may turn out to be quadratic, and then you can use any method, factorization, that is splitting the middle term, or you can use completing the square method, or you can use quadratic formula. Okay, let us see. So I don't want x, so solution, see here, x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. X is not equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? X is not 0. If it is 0, we don't know how to divide 1 by 0. So that is the condition. So don't think much about this. Okay, x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. This is equation. We want to remove this. X is in the denominator. So remove this. Right now it is looking at this. It is not a quadratic. If you take x in the numerator, it will become minus 1, which is not allowed. Okay. So we want to remove this x. So I will multiply everything by x. So x multiplied by x minus x into 1 upon x, 3 into x. So we will get here x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now x square, take 3x this side. So try to write in the form, arrange in the form ax square plus bx plus c minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes. Now this equation has transformed into quadratic. Now you can use any of the method which you like. Preference give to factorization, splitting the middle term, or quadratic. Don't go for completing the square method. Okay. If you want, you can go for that also. Okay. Let us see. Now find two numbers whose product is minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and middle term is minus 3. Okay, can you find two numbers whose product is minus 1 and sum is minus 3? It is a difficult part. Then you cannot do here by factorization. Then go for quadratic one. Okay, then go for quadratic formula. Okay, so now again we have to compare. So factorization, splitting the middle term is not possible. Okay, now on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 1. Okay, so therefore b square minus 4ac, so minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. So minus 3 square is 9, minus into minus, so plus 9 plus, so minus into minus is plus 4, so 9 plus 4 is 13. So therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 13. So that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So here roots are possible. Now by using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. So therefore x is equal to b minus b, b is minus, so minus of minus 3 plus or minus b square minus 4ac is 13 upon whole upon 2 into a, that is 1. So simplify, x is equal to minus into minus is plus 3 plus or minus 13 upon 2. Okay, so therefore roots are 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. Okay, hope you have understood this example. Let us see second sub question of 3. Solve 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Condition, x is not equal to minus 4 and not equal to 7 also. Why? Because if you put here minus 4, minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. So you cannot divide any number by 0. Same way, x is not equal to 7. Okay, x is not equal to 7. I have written equal, not equal to 7. So it cannot be equal to 7 here. 7 minus 7 will be 0. Let us solve. Now how to solve this? Let us see. Okay. Okay, no need to write this condition. Now simplify this. Okay. Bracket, cross multiply. So x minus 7 minus x plus 4 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7, 11 upon 30. Simplify. See what you are going to get. X plus a into x plus b, that formula you can use, or anyway you find the product of x plus 4 into x minus 7. So this product is x square so plus x minus x cancels. So what remains? Minus 7 minus 4, that is minus 11 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. Okay, so just cross multiply this. So what you are going to get? So this is minus 11 and here right hand side in the numerator, that is plus 11. So 11 cancel. So what remains is minus 1 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 upon 30. Now cross multiply this, 30 will go here. So minus 1 into 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay, so if you rearrange the terms and write in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you are going to get x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. So therefore x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. See whether you can get the factors of this, or you can find the roots by splitting the middle term. So here 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, so 1 into 2 is 2 and minus 3 is the middle term. So minus 2 into minus 1, and here it is minus -2 minus 1 is minus 3s. So you can now, the coefficient is of x square is 1, so you can do it orally. X minus 2 and x minus 1 are the roots of this. Okay, factors of this. So x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 1. Okay, so what are the roots? So the roots are 2 and 1. Okay, this was our first part. Now write down. Okay, therefore the roots are 2 and 1. Somebody may write 1 and 2. It's fine, absolutely fine. होप आपको समझ में आया होगा ये सब. ओके.